Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, welcome once again to Army Public School and College PMA Resource Network. Before we start our subject, Integrated Studies, please subscribe this page and click on bell icon. Dear students, our today's lesson is related to Part 2 of Week 9 assignment. That is Chapter 13, Presenting Your Ideas. Page number 135 to 137. And the subtopic we are going to discuss is Task 1, Formatting Pictures. And I'm your teacher, Imrana Gul. First of all, objectives of the lesson are students will be able to use PowerPoint presentation software, make attractive slides, add images, resize images, move images, and rotate images. Okay, dear students, to make a PowerPoint presentation, the first thing which is very necessary is that the Microsoft PowerPoint software should be installed in the system or the laptop you are using with. If it is installed, now click on the right mouse button having the mouse cursor on desktop screen. Now the option box will appear. This option box will appear. Choose and click the new. Again, the options will appear on the screen. Now click on the Microsoft PowerPoint presentation option. When you will click on this Microsoft PowerPoint presentation option, an icon will appear on the desktop screen. Yes. Dear students, here option new you have selected, then you have selected the Microsoft PowerPoint presentation option. So when you will select or you will click on this option by the left arrow key, then there will appear an icon on the screen of the laptop or the system, and this icon is new Microsoft PowerPoint presentation icon, right? Now when you will double click on this icon, now you will have, there will the Microsoft PowerPoint presentation program will open. Here, this is the Microsoft PowerPoint presentation program has been opened. So this type of the screen will appear in front of you. Now, this screen is only a clear screen. Now we need the slides to have some text or some images or anything we wanna show in the presentation. For that purpose, we have to select the option. In the Home tab, we will select the option New Slide. We will see in the next slide. Yes, here, New Slide. When we will click on this New Slide option or New Slide icon, we will have this type of the layouts options. Now you can select whatever the layout you want to select. Just like I have selected this one. So I have this slide. And if you need the more slides, you can continuously click on the new slide option and you will have this type of the layouts and you can have the more slides than one slide. Okay, so this is the appearance of the slide on the PowerPoint presentation program. Okay, now making attractive slides. We have the slides and we have added typed some words on the slide, but we want to make the slides more attractive. For that purpose, we have the tab of designs in this part. When you will click on this design tab, you will have these types of the options, and you can select whatever the option or whatever the design you need for making your slide attractive. Just like I have selected this one. So this type of the slide means the slide has been changed into this form, this condition. Okay, and we may make our slide more attractive by adding the background styles and this type of the colors at the in the background. You can select any of the color and you will have the background of the slide very attractive. Dear students, in adding images to the slides, in order to insert pictures through clip art, first we will click on the Insert tab, then click on the Clip Art button. Now a dialog box will appear on the right side of the screen. Here you can insert pictures, videos or songs using the clip art. For example, if you write photos in the dialog box, here in the dialog box when you will write the photos, pictures will appear in the box. Now click on any picture and it will be added to the slide. And in this way, you will add the image to the slide. Another way of adding images to the slides is that the pictures or the photos or the videos, whatever you wanna add in your slide, and these pictures or photos are already present in your files, mean you have copied them from anywhere else, and you have these images in your files. You can take mean you can select the photo or the image from that file and copy that image, and then you can bring that image to the slide by clicking on the right button of the right key of the laptop or the system, and you can paste the picture image from the file to the slide. So this is another way of adding the images to the slides. Okay students, selecting the images mean you have to select the image for resizing it or for rotating it or for moving it. For any purpose you will have to select the image first. Okay, and for that click the picture and mean this type of the box will appear around the picture. So this is one form. Now position your mouse uh, over any of the four handles on the corners, means these four handles on the corners you can have the your mouse, and the cursor will become a double arrow, right? When you will click on this, then the cursor will become double arrow, mean just like this one. Now if you wanna resize this image, we will see in the next slide. Click, hold and drag your mouse until you get the picture size you want. Here you can see that from this part, when I was having the double arrow sign, when I click on this double arrow sign, this type of the plus sign appeared, and I continuously drag this picture outside. So in this way, the picture size has been increased. And if I wanna make the size smaller, I can drag this picture inside, so the size of the picture will decrease. So this is all about the resizing the images. This is all about resizing the images. Okay. Now moving the images. For that purpose, you have to click on the picture and hold the mouse button. You have to click on the picture. When you will click on the picture, then you have selected the picture and this type of the box will appear. So hold the mouse button, the cursor will turn into a four-way arrow, this type. And now, while holding down the mouse button, drag the picture to the desired side, whether this side, right side, or the left side, and release the mouse button. When you reach the required side at the location, there you will release the mouse button. The picture has been moved, just like I have moved the picture to the right side. Again, we are checking that how to select the image. This is the image I have selected. When this image, then this type of the this four-way arrow has been appeared, and this type of the box has been appeared. Now I have selected this image for rotating it. Let's see that how we will rotate this image. Rotating the image. Click on the picture. Click the rotate icon, this one, which is a green circle located at the top of the picture, right? The cursor will turn into a circular arrow, just like the cursor will turn into the circular arrow. Drag depending on how much you want it to rotate. The picture has been rotated. Now I will see how the picture has been rotated in the next slide. Yes, dear students, I have dragged the picture in this way, and this is now the picture is going to start the rotation, and it is going to rotate. And in this picture, you can see that I have rotated the picture at about 60-degree angle. One more form that I have rotated this picture to 180-degree angle, and now I have started to rotate the picture to bring it to its original position. And I am turning back the picture to its original position, and now it will turn to its original condition. Okay, students, now success criteria. Students have become able to use PowerPoint presentation software to make attractive slides, add images, resize images, and move images and rotate images. Dear students, I hope so that you have got all the contents of the lesson. Now this is the homework for you, that you have to make a PowerPoint slide. Stages of germination you have to make the PowerPoint slide about the stages of germination. Make 5 slides according to steps given in science lesson week 9, when you have to present the 5 stages of germination in your PowerPoint presentation. Thank you. Have a nice day.